Okay, good day everyone. Our tutorial for today is about on how to create a personal or customized dimension style in AutoCAD 2022. But for now, I'll show you. Let's begin. I'll show you the default standard dimension style in AutoCAD 2022. Type D, enter. Then the dimension style manager has been open. Then I'll show you. There is two kinds of dimension styles in AutoCAD 2022, which is this is this ISO-25 and standard dimensions style. So for now, the standard dimension style we will see it in the current. Okay, so we'll use the default standard dimension style of the AutoCAD 2022. Let's say we'll put a horizontal dimension on the rectangle as well as on vertical sides. Then we'll put a angle dimension of the corner in the corner of the rectangle as well as the diameter of the circle, as also the radius will rather the radius. So we have diameter and we have the radius, and we will also the leader